cruising. Came from back in there, wherever that is. Did a big loop. Going through the Salal. Fuck yeah. Be here now. That was awesome. Sprinting. Fucking just hit my cheek. Ran through these woods quite a bit, over logs. Now as I'm filming, it's just a reminder to just put this shit away. Yeah. Awesome. Man, I smacked my cheek. Ah, that was awesome. Fuck yeah. Where's that? What is it, a rock? I don't know. And it doesn't matter. Smacked my cheek. Thank you, rock, or whatever, for waking me up a little more.